items right here. Little mystery box right here. Check this shit out. Oh, wow. A little heavy right here. Yo, let's see what we got inside this right here, kid. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, Waterless Wash. That's to wash your car. You wash your car with that. Look at that. That's like, yo, blueberry. Don't drink it. Don't drink this shit right here. I'm gonna put this back together right here. Let's see what else we got right here. Oh, I don't know what this is right here, but it's the undercarriage spray. I never use it. I don't know how to do that. Check this shit out right here, son. Check it out right here. Ooh, the glaze, kid, the glaze. I don't know what that's for. Check this out. Oh, we got the chocolate leather cleaner, kid. The chocolate leather cleaner right here. Smell like a leather jacket, son. Check that shit out right here, son. What else we got in here? Ooh, boy. Yeah, check this shit out right here, kid. Oh. Yo, that's for people who stink up their cars, son. My shit don't stink. Got the leather interior, kid. The leather interior. Let's smell this shit right here. Ooh. Oh, that shit smells so good. That shit smells so good. I want to drink that shit right now. Check that shit out. What else we got in here? What else we got in here? Oh, 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 oh. We got that mustard wax, kid. Mustard. That's that spicy spice. Oh, you want to smell that? You want to smell that right through that camera right there, kid. That's another one right there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that Mountain Dew product right here, kid. Glass cleaner, make it mirror shine. Mirror. Check this shit out right there, kid. What else we got in here? We got the cocoa. Check out the cocoa. Rubber and trim and vinyl cleaner right here, son. Cocoa. Oh, my man right there in the background like that shit right there, kid. Right there over there. He like that shit. You know what's going on right here. I got all this shit right here. I got that blue right here. Hand polish. Hand polish with your hand like this. Bam, bam, bam. You get that shit done real quick. What else we got in here? This is all surprise to me. I don't know what the hell's in here shit, kid. I don't know. I didn't pay for this shit anyway. I don't like that one right there, but I bet it's good. Interior cleaner, kid. Interior. Blue. For that true. What else we got in here, kid? What else we got in here, son? Check it out. Oh, we got rags. We got the rags. Boom, boom, boom. You know that. Woo, woo, woo. Right there, kid, like that, son. We got the little spongy. Woo, 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 sponge. Woo. Just like that. Bam. Yo, I think that's it, kid. Ain't nothing else left in here. Like, yeah, check it out, yo. You already saw what I had in my mystery box, right? So now we gonna smell that shit. What that shit smell like? Check it out. We'll start with this purple one right here. That's that great, kid. That's that great right there, son. Now we'll go to this one right here. Ooh. I don't know what that shit smell like. I don't know what it is. I can't. We'll go to the next one. This one right here, a little aqua. Maybe a little something like a blueberry. Like a little blueberry right there, kid. Then we move on to the chocolate, like that chocolate Thai weed. That's just, I could drink that shit right there, kid. Drink that shit right there. Look at that. Oh, that's that mustard, son. That's that mustard. You would try that in your sandwich right there, kid. Check that shit out right there. Oh, yeah, another blueberry right there, kid. Check that shit out right there. That's not too bad, kid. Not too bad right there. Now you got that cocoa. That's that cocoa. Pina right there. That's what that's. Oh, yeah, right there, kid. Then you got the vanilla right there. That's that vanilla. That's that good right there. I recommend that shit to anybody right there, kid. Oh. Mountain Dew right there. That's that Mountain Dew. Glass cleaner. I don't know. That's a little Fruit Loopy right there. Smell like Fruit Loop. Then we got this last one right here. Let's see what this shit smell like. I don't know. Yo, I really don't know. I really don't. But yo, that's all of it right there, kid. All of it. Come check it out, man. You want to taste it? You want to paste it? Whatever you want to do, check it out, kid. Deuces.